So if GST has already been paid, that's gone actually before you paid it in advance. It's not only that, Govind. There are few other getting into technicalities, but important. Take for example health insurance. It becomes 18 to 0. Now what happens is earlier if you had a 18% output and there was some input on commission that the insurers paid, for distribution. Or rent that they paid, etc., they could unlock that GST credit. Now they can't go from 18 to 0. So if your insurance premium was 100 plus 18 of GST, you cannot today go to 100. Because if they go to 100, then a lot of whatever is the ITC that's not unlocked becomes a cost for them. So we may not actually see a 18 to 18 reduction, for example, in health insurance. We may not see it even in hotels. Hotels room stays, they've got it on from 12 to 5. Even there may be some adjustment for input credit, so the prices may not fall 7%. Some of this we'll have to see, and what will come is the point you made at the beginning, which is what happens to some of these credits that's already been paid. If it becomes a cost, how do you adjust? I think next 10-15 days is going to be interesting on some of these to see where those things settle. Also important that we don't have the anti-profiteering body anymore. Here you could go to the anti-profiteering body if there was no reduction, because the GST law is very clear that if there is a rate change or there's any benefit of input tax credit, that has to be passed on and an appropriate adjustment has to be made in the price.
Right.
There was a national anti-profiteering authority which was disbanded for a variety of reasons. Then it went to CCI, from CCI to GST Appellate Tribunal. Now we don't have a body where you can go. The businesses are expected to adjust it in all good faith. So we'll have to wait and see how that will play out.